How to add items to your wish list on eBay. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ebay.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to add items to your watch list on eBay, scroll through the item you want to add to the wish list and tap on that. You will then see the option for Add to Watch List. Tap on that, and with this, the item will be added to your watch list. Now, to view your watch list, go ahead and tap on the My eBay option, and in the drop-down that appears, tap on the Watch List option, and with this, you will be able to view your watch list. So, this is how you can add items to your wish list on eBay. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.